Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, thank you so much for clicking. I really appreciate. To my OG subscribers, thank you so much. So today we are going to be making 40 donut recipe. So if this is kind of video that you like to watch, please watch to the end. So as we are making this donut, we'll be gisting along. You know how we do it on this channel. As we are cooking, we are gisting. So you will definitely love this gist today. With this video, I use all-purpose flour, I use milk, water, I use dry yeast, I use butter, egg, salt, sugar. You'll be seeing them as we continue this video, and please don't forget to check out the description for all the ingredients I use for this recipe. If today is your first time, you have not subscribed, please help my market, hit that subscribe button, support your girl, like this video, share this video to 1 or 2 person. I believe they will learn a lot. Any relative abroad, you have any family member abroad, you need to watch this video to the end, because today we'll be discussing very important something that is going on that a lot of people are not talking about. See, this gist, a lot of people know they talk about. If they watch this video from Nigeria, you need to watch this video to the end, because I go they show now a lot of things when we say it they go on for abroad, most especially for Italy, when we say a lot of people know they talk about. So you go need to subscribe to this channel, subscribe, like this video, help me share it to 1 or 2 person. If you not learn anything from this video, if you not learn how to make donut recipe, then you go learn 1 or 2 things from this gist. One gist today. So there is something they go on for Italy when be say it dey alarming. A lot of people know they talk about them. I give kudos to change the narrative with Mr. B. If you they follow that bros channel, he they talk about some of these things, but it not really they common like that. You know, people know they talk about them. Now wetin they go on for Italy, for Europe? Why be say our Africa brothers they get mental problem for Europe side? The thing really they painful, my people. A lot of our brothers they sleep train station, as me and you they talk. So a lot of our brothers and sisters they sleep under bridge, they sleep on computed building, house where they never complete. Now they sleep. They get mental issue, they full everywhere. You know if you know them, you know, because they not be like those ones when they in Nigeria when they remove clothes. So they don't they remove clothes, they go sit down with you for train, they go sit down with you for bus. Now when they talk, you go no say, this one brain, I'm not sure. Say why they from A move go K, you understand? And this thing though they rapid, my people. See, and this information one they share, so not be they say I go they give instant. So before I come abroad, they get this our friend who know that time for Nigeria. Now we even gather come abroad. Now we gather come Europe. We enter Europe the same time. So as we enter Europe the same time, Italy the same time. So we not stay the same place. We not stay the same city. As the guy they the city when they the camp when they, if you they new for abroad, you just new enter abroad, or you they plan to enter abroad, see and watch this video to the end, because you go learn a lot from this video. So as a new enter abroad, it call a roll with the big boys, you know, most especially Africa, most especially Nigeria. Once they enter abroad, they still say they don't enter paradise. The next thing where they need to go do now to open social media, mostly Facebook, begin they post. They go they find the finest place, they go more, go post, they go supermarkets, go post, they go if they drink water, they go post, if they everywhere they want post. Not be only post though, they will go find white man or white woman where they want snap with the post, because we not there the same place. You know, so that for that social media, before they say a lot of people when be say you never see for a very long time. One day we just get news say this our friend they don't pursue and come off for camp. Wetin happen where they pursue and come off for camp? So this bros now, you know, because when a lot of us enter abroad, we know they settled down, we know they relax at all, we no want relax. Our own be say moko you enter street make the money, but we no say life now stage by stage. So in call they roll with the big boys, they follow white people, they go club, go they party, they do all those kind of things. Before you know, they can introduce that white stuff for this our brother. If you don't know what be that white stuff, ask person for the comment section, because I know say small pikin go say they watch this video, you're not supposed to make I just dey pull mouth like that. He call they take that white stuff. From taking it, he call they sell am so that he go make money. So as can people notice this, now they pursue am. If you new come abroad, you dey can dey listen, no, share this video, he go favor you, share am. So he can't they take this white stuff, they can't pursue and come off for can. So as my brother roam around for street, you know, see where enter now from Italy go Austria, and then we hear from marriage. Even a family member once in a while they see us on Facebook, they will send us message say una hear from that our from our son, that una friend. We say no, we not up till today. It does say no be only in I just they give an instant because me I know they like to they talk, they say this one now waiting happen. Person one I know personally go back house, enough fit go back house. They normal, enough fit they normal. You see the Europe government, they know they carry those kind of people, they come back like that. Oh, you see all those sack people where don't sack their brain don't worn out. They know they carry them go back house like that. They go leave them for street, make they roam around. So don't spend 80 years, 70 years, 90 years, 60 years, 30 years, 20 years. They all day street. They not die. They know they just day street, just they roam around day to day. If they stand up from where they for go sleep for train station, they'll just carry their bag, they roam around. They full everywhere. Now wait till they go on and be the question one they ask. Wait till they go on. Why these people they engage themselves into those kind of dirty game when go ruin their life? A lot of people know it because they smoke that white stuff. Some mental problem there, some problem from house, some maybe na their village people, some maybe na cause, some maybe na laziness. There are different things when they cause this thing, my people. But this one when me they talk so now waiting it take na affect. I even get two of my relatives when they say in this problem. In fact, some day prison, some day outside, some just they roam around. They're full everywhere. I know they joke. My people. Me you check up on your person. If you be say your person they abroad 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, you know hear from her. Check up on now. If he be say no be say the person no want call you. If he be say no because say the person no get money, now because I no want call you, or you don't they feel pompous, or you don't get pride, you don't do this, you don't do that, now because I no want call you. If he be say that your brother, that your sister, they pass through a lot. Help me they share this video, my people. Make it reach that your relative. When do be say they don't they look for their brother or their sister for very long time, they never hear from her. If he be say now wait till they talk for this video so now just they happen to them. Most of them never die, they are alive. If you watch this video up to this point, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it to your friends and loved ones. We'll see you on our next one. For now, peace out.